guys, Nicole Boyd here from wonderfullyfashion.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a split ring, and I will show you what that looks like here in just a second. But today you'll need 2 shuttles and 2 different colors of thread just to help you differentiate if you're making the stitches right on the second part. So anyways, you'll know what I mean once we get started. So let's do it. Okay, so when you start with a split ring, you're going to need 2 shuttles. And you'll only need a crochet hook if you're doing picots and joining different rings to them, but you won't need those until you actually get later on into the process. Okay, so take your 2 ends of your thread and do a loop knot. Tie them together. And for the sake of teaching you guys, I'm using 2 different colors of thread, but you can do it with the same colors. Doesn't matter. Okay, so just wrap the thread around with one of the colors. Like we usually do, and then you're going to do half of the stitches on one side. So today I'm just doing 10 on this side. So there's 1, 2, 5, 6, and 10. Okay, and then you can just let that shuttle rest over your fingers like that. Okay, and then make sure the knot is facing out so that it's out of your way. And need some more thread. So then this side, we are going to do the stitches on this thread right here. So you're gonna make sure this is really tight, and then we're gonna go backwards. So usually it's over, under. This time it's, or sorry, usually it's under, over. This time it is over, under. So you leave the thread under your fingers and you go over and then under and make that loop and then pull that really tight at the end there. Okay? And then you're going to go under, over. So it's just reverse of what you do for a regular ring. Pull that tight. Okay, so we'll do that 10 times. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and so we're on 9 and 10. Oops. All right, so then when you're done with those, you're just going to face the stitches and then take the first stitch that you did and pull it tight. Let's see here, what did I do? There we go. And it might take a little extra force to get it to close. And inevitably, I always break one of these, which really sucks. But all right, there you go. There is a split ring. And it looks really pretty with these 2 colors. I like it. There you are. Hey guys, thank you for watching. And next week, I'm going to show you how to hide the ends of your thread inside your other threads. It's pretty cool. So anyways, I will see you next week. Bye. Can you say hi? Can you say hi, Bubba? He just woke up from his nap. Hey. What is it?